New iPhone now. Yeah,
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for continuing to subscribe, even though I've been missing for a little bit. I am getting back into filming and posting and, just back into the life, basically. So I hope you guys come on this journey with me and, just keep coming back. So a type of clothing that I've kind of gotten into is basically sets. And the reason why is because it's just so easy to, kind of throw on. It's already put together, top and bottom. And then these that I got from FashionNova, they just fit me so wonderfully, as you guys are gonna see. So the first one that I'm starting with is this kind of brown number. It's so all of these sets are pant sets. I haven't entered into shorts, and I know it's summer and it's hot. For me, I'm not really a hot person, so pants don't really bother me. Plus the material on really all of these is really light, so it's not like a hot material where it's summertime and I'm sweating or anything like that. So this first one, the pants are, I love the pants. They're like bell bottom flare pants. Depending on the size that you get, and I actually just found this out because the two newer ones that I'll show you guys, I got a bigger size in, didn't even realize it, and they fit bigger, but it's like a different look, kind of. It's like more, I guess it could be more dressy because it's a little more flowy, but this particular one, like I said, it's like a brown color, tan, brown, like that in between, taupe, I think it's called. Yeah, so it's just a simple two-piece set. I really love the top because it's like, it's not traditional, it's not like just a regular long, and this one actually is a long sleeve, so, you can wear it. I wear it now just because, like I said, I'm not a hot person. I'm okay with this. If it's 80 degrees, 75 degrees where I am sometimes, this is cool for me to wear just with no jacket or anything like that. Or a cool night, date night, stuff like that. Yeah, but this thing has, let me see. This one is like this. It's like a tie in the back. So, and I tie it in the back. Now, I don't know, maybe you could tie it in the front. I never tried, but I like it better in the back. And then I feel like it helps, like, give that cinched waist kind of illusion. It helps the shirt, look a little tighter, basically, on the waist. For me, a thing that I struggle with sets, and kind of why in the past, or just in general, I'm really careful with, who I order sets from, because my bottom is bigger than my top. So I could order extra large or a large on the bottom, and then the top, depending on the company, would be basically big. It'll be baggy on me because my top is a lot smaller. Like, my proportions are, you guys know. So yeah, but for me, these are perfect. It fits perfect. And like I said, that extra tie really helps, cinch you in just a little bit more, give you that a little help. The next one is, I recently got this because, like I said, for one, these sets, I have probably almost every color, I would say, and it's like different variations, like some short sleeves, some long sleeve. I think I have like black, navy blue, because they just fit so, I love the way they fit. They're so freeing. Yeah, so this one I saw on FashionNova. I was just, just randomly scrolling one day, and I saw they had more sets. Now, these sets were meant for the spring, summer, because it's short, well, no sleeves, not short sleeves, no sleeves. So it's like a little, almost like a little mock neck, kind of. And then it's cut off sleeves. So, I struggle with showing my arms, but it's summertime, so we're showing these arms, and we're working on them. I'm gonna get them together. But yeah, but this is so cute. I love the way that this looks. I love this color. This particular color is like purple, like a purplish blue color. I don't know if it's like showing up on the camera the right way, but same thing with the material, very lightweight. It's not see-through. None of these are see-through, which is an added. It's like that perfect, not too thin but not too thick material. Let me see what the material is actually called. And like I was telling you guys, so these I just purchased like I think maybe a month ago, and I got an extra large. So it says 90% polyester, 10% spandex. So that's like the perfect like stretchy, material. And so this particular set, and maybe I hope you guys will see, maybe I'll do like a side by side to show you the difference of the one that's a large and then the one that's extra large, how it fits differently. Also, I've lost a couple pounds too, so you should be able to see. But yeah, so this one is a extra large, so it fits a little, not baggy, but you guys will see it's a little, just looser, basically, like looser around my hips and stuff like that. But it's actually nice because it, kind of allows for a little bit more movement, which could be a good thing, My husband actually says he kind of likes the loose fitting sometimes. Both of them are nice. Like I said, you'll see. But yeah, so pants are the same. They're consistent. They come all the way down to the floor. I am 5'5". Nice wide leg. These actually, now that I'm looking at them, they actually might be a little wider than the brown one. Now that I look at it. But that might be because they're an extra large. So possibly. Yeah, so love these. Love this set. I only got 2 colors in this particular type of set, and I'm going to show you the other one, the other pink one. I'm not sure if they had other colors. I'll look them up and then I'll put it like on the screen or in the description box if they did. I also was supposed to look for the prices. I will put the prices on the screen for you guys and also in the description box too, the current prices. Now, FashionNova, they always got a sale, so what it is today might be different than what it is, next week, basically. So this one is like a tracksuit, basically. It's actually called tennis court, and they have like a couple different, if you type it in on FashionNova, it's going to pull up like, I think they have like tennis court 1 and tennis court 2. I don't know why they call it tennis court. I don't think anybody's playing tennis in this. But I bought this probably almost a year ago, I would say. I've worn it like, at, airport, at the, when we went on vacation, I wore it for like an airport outfit. The only thing about this particular outfit that I'm not the biggest fan of, and it might just be for me because I'm curvy. I have, my hips are bigger than normal, and for me, like I kind of have to hike the bottom part up a little bit to where it makes it a little high water. Usually I just wear like a high sock or something like that, or a boot. I've worn it with, like one of my little quarter boots. that I have. So it's not a huge deal. But in order for me to get the look that I like, which is like the high waist look, I have to hike it up a little bit at the bottom. Curvy girl problems. If you know, you know. And then it's fine for me. Then it's able to come up, you know, nice and comfortable over my hips. Nothing I hate worse than pants that I don't even wear them. I'm not gonna wear them. If I try it on somewhere, I'm gonna send it back because it has to be, for me, high waist or nothing else. That's just how it goes. I'm not gonna, it's like a pet peeve of mine to wear pants that sit exactly at my hip. Never. You'll never catch me. I promise you. Yeah, so this one is a pantsuit, and this one is also long sleeve. So like I said, you know, but the material, once again, all of these materials are I think the same, including this. That light, not see-through, but, you know, like the perfect breathable material. This one has a hood, which I love. It's so cute. It has, does the top have? Yeah, it has a black. Now in these, they have a lot of colors. I haven't went back. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, they may have like discontinued it, or, you know, it's out of stock, because for some reason I haven't gotten any more. That's probably the only reason, that I'm pretty sure. I have a black one, a black and white one, and then I have this one. So yeah, so this one is burgundy, a black stripe going down the side, and then the black stripe also goes down the side of the legging too. So it's meant to fit like a legging, pretty much. It's not bell bottomy, the bottom is tight, so it's meant to fit like a legging. And then you throw on, like, this is just I'm running to the grocery store, like I said, an airport outfit, because it's just so comfortable, you know, just moves with you. It's not, you know, too fancy, you know, out with the kids or something like that. I mean, it's definitely, you know, body hugging. So, you know, it's up to you. If you're gonna get turn some heads, I think. So it's actually an extra large. So extra large, and then the top is a little bigger than I would like, but like I said, what I do is I tuck it in, and it almost looks like a one piece. I've had, like, my mother-in-law has asked me, like, oh, is that a jumpsuit? And it, you know, it comes off as, oh, it's just a one piece when you tuck it in. So, you know, that's a look too. Yeah, but that's it. I love this. Like I said, I'll see if it's still available, but I just wanted to show it to you guys because maybe you might, I don't know, find it on another site, or maybe they might bring it back. Who knows? I don't know. Next one, I've had this one also for a while. Also, all of these wash well. They keep their shape after the dryer. I wash all of my, you know, like clothes that I wear out on cold delicates, basically, and then I dry them on medium. So I never have any issues with like shrinkage or anything like that with any of my my delicate clothes. So especially FashionNova. No, I've never had any issues with washing clothes or clothes keeping their shape, or, you know, like ripping and different things like that with FashionNova. I love this site. Sponsor me, FashionNova. So this one, once again, same thing. You know, bell bottomy, nice and flowy. I wish you guys could feel this material. It's like, it's so soft. I love this material. Now, the black one is, because I bought it a while ago, is a large. This set is a large, and, you know, like I said, hopefully you'll be able to see kind of like how it fits a little. It's not tight, but it fits a little smaller, better. I think I like this fit better than the other one. And then the waist, and I didn't even point this out to you guys, the waist on this, and this is FashionNova through and through. This is how they do. They know, I don't know who is in charge, but they know what they're doing. It's like, so if I can hold this up, I don't know if you guys will see me, but I'm gonna hold this up, and then it's flowy on the bottom, And then the waist, it has like an elastic. So that helps cinch it in on the top. So for me, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to wear it like this, but I'll pull it all the way up and it sits maybe like, I would say at like my belly button. And then, but that elastic helps cinch it in, and then the rest can just flow. Your hips can just flow in this set. So like I said, anything that I ever post on this, unless I tell you don't buy it, I don't like it, it's curvy girl friendly. Like, buy it. Basically, I promise you, when it comes to clothing, Curvy Barbie does not steer you wrong. I promise you. So, yeah, like I said, it's the same thing as the other one, just smaller. Oh, so the shirt with this, it's a cropped shirt, short sleeve. This one is very just like, you know, like I said, the material is very thin. So it's like, I've taken this crop top and wore it with like some leggings too, you know, just to switch it up. But it's just, it's perfect together. That's really all I can say. I love these sets. So the last one is like the purplish blue one, and it's pink, short sleeve, well, no sleeves, like a little tank. I love the pink. I am a girly girl. I love pink. I love peach. Peach is my favorite color. So when I saw this pink, I was like, I gotta have it, like, you know. So I love wearing this. Once again, this is, I'm pretty sure, an extra large also. Let me just double check. But just based off of how it looks, yeah, it's an extra large also. Same thing as the other one, flowy. It's consistent across the board of, you know, you buy a different color, it's the same fit. There's no, I've experienced that with some companies, different colors fit differently. I don't like that. That's not cool. But yeah, so I love this. It goes all the way down to the floor, so you can wear a heel with it. You can wear flats with it. You know, if you're taller than me, maybe it might, you know, be a little shorter, but not to the point where it's high water. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope you guys will continue to stick around, even though I've been missing. I promise you I'm back for good. I'm not going to give you an exact schedule because I'm still working out the kinks of how often I'm going to post, but turn on your notification bell so that you do know, you get that, you know, bing when I do post, until I'm able to get to a point of, you know, a schedule, set days of posting. Go follow me on my other platforms, on Instagram and also TikTok. I don't really post like that on there, but occasionally I might throw something in there, a little, you know, video on. But other than that, I will see you guys on the next video. If you like, I will put the links to all of these. I will try in the description box, and if you know, let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. Don't forget to give me a like, because you know that's going to help, especially because I'm just coming back, so it's going to help the algorithm to get my videos, you know, back out there, so everybody knows that Curvy Barbie is back. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.